The Southwest region, towering forests, spectacular shorelines, and some of the last remaining wild rivers in America. The Rogue, Chetco, and Elk are just a few. Throughout Oregon, 8 significant dams have been removed, 3 of them within the Southwest region. For the first time in over 100 years, the Rogue River now runs free for its entire 157 miles, from Lost Creek to the Pacific Ocean. Wild and scenic, it's world famous for its thrilling whitewater rafting, fishing, and extraordinary wildlife viewing: bald eagles, osprey, great blue heron. Dam removal not only opens the rivers for migratory fish, but it also creates local jobs. In just 2 years, $9 million was invested in the Southwest region, creating over 180 jobs.
I grew up on the Rogue River, I grew up in Grants Pass, and get to come back on your home waters and actually do something this significant where you're making this big of a improvement to the river for fisheries and even for recreation and for people. Now my kids ask, which dam are we removing this year, Dad?
These innovative projects are great for wildlife, magnets for river adventurers, and critical to the long-term sustainability of local economies.